Hey friend, let's be real. Homeschooling is already a full-time job, and then the military throws in a deployment or a PCS move every 2 years like it's no big deal. If you've ever taught math while packing boxes or juggled spelling tests and goodbye hugs before deployment, you are not alone. I've been there, trying to stay consistent with curriculum when Dad's away for months. Trying to rebuild routines in a brand new state, sometimes even a new country. It's a lot, but here's what I've learned. Homeschooling isn't about perfection, it's about flexibility. Some days the lesson plan takes a backseat to life, and that's okay. PCS years, we go light. We do more read-alouds, more road schooling. We lean on audiobooks, documentaries, and grace. Deployment seasons, we create anchors like little daily habits that give the kids stability and honestly give me some too. And I remind myself, connection equals curriculum, always. So if you're in one of those seasons right now, new place, new stress, or just missing your person, know this, you are doing an incredible job. Not because everything's perfect, but because you show up every single day for your family. We may move every few years, but this homeschool, this is home because you're in it. If this resonated with you, come join my group on school. It's called Homeschoolers Toolbox. It's a safe, supportive place for moms who homeschool to share ideas, get help, and not feel so alone. We'd love to have you there. I can't wait to see you in there.